Standard operating procedure on fake news. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guideline of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the Commission guideline, rules, laws shall prevail. Learning outcomes. At the end of the session, the participants will be able to interpret the instructions of ECI on fake news, summarize the monitoring mechanism of Commission related to fake news, understand the importance of setting of media cell at CO, DO and RO level, underline the legal provisions related to fake news. Cases of fake news. Number of cases of fake news on election matters circulated during election and non-election period have been noticed by the Commission. They are fake news on EVM, indelible ink, electoral roll, law and order, postal ballot facilities, etc. Effect of fake news. Fake news items or disinformation campaigns have the potential to promote mistrust among various stakeholders on the electoral process and in some cases even result in law and order issues. It disturbs the level playing field, polarizes the public opinion, may also lead to social discord. Media cell to be established as CO, DO and RO level. Media cell to regularly monitor and scan the media space for any fake news and misleading stories. They shall fact check and respond to any fake news identified and amplify through local media and social media platforms. District election officer to ascertain local facts and prepare an immediate response in consultation with state CO based on damage potential. After approval, response to be issued to the local media on social media by the district election officer. Localized issues during election period. Zonal division of the Commission to initiate the process once link is identified. Fact checking to be done by the CO or DO. If found correct, factual response with action taken by the CO or DO. If found fake, details to be shared with the media division for taking action. Media division to report the violation to social media platforms and amplify the fact check done by the CO or the DO. Zonal division to ask the CO for necessary action like notice, FIR. Localized issues during non-election period. Zonal division of the Commission to initiate the process once link is identified. Fact checking to be done by the CO or the DO. If found correct, factual response with action taken by the CO or the DO. If found fake, CO to report the violation to social media platforms. Media division to amplify the response given by the CO or DO. Zonal division to ask the CO for necessary action like notice, FIR, etc. Response timeline for fake news. 3 hours for immediate response. Response to provide factual correct information including action initiated. 24 hours for detailed response to provide details of the investigation, relevant factual details and action taken. Fake news narratives on EVM is shown on the screen. Fake narratives on law and order is shown on the screen. Fake narratives on electoral roll and election integrity is shown on the screen. Fake narratives on polling station facilities is shown on the screen. Fake narratives on postal ballot facilities, secrecy while voting, on service electors is shown on the screen. Fake narratives on election planning management and results is shown on the screen. Links to legal portals of social media platforms is shown on the screen. Legal provisions on IPC RP Act is shown on the screen. Brief of the Section 153A, 153B, 295A and 298 of IPC is shown on the screen. Brief of Section 123, 3A of RP Act 1951 is shown on the screen. Brief of Section 94 of RP Act 1951, Section 171C of IPC, Section 171G of IPC is shown on the screen. Brief of Section 126 of RP Act 1951 is shown on the screen. Brief of Section 471 of IPC is shown on the screen. In this educational video, we have learned about the SOP on fake news. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos or rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown. Thank you.